Hi, we'll take a short overview of the gift section in the Campaign Center. Gifts, also referred to as benefits, are one of the two ways that we can program discounts for the members in your club. When you're in the gift interface, you'll see a list of all your active and deactivated gifts. When we wish to create a new gift, we'll select the Add Gift button here. Now, once a gift has been created through this flow, you will need to share the gift with the members of your program through a manual one-time action or by connecting them to some sort of rule. When we start the create gift flow, you do always have the option to select a template, or you can just opt to start from scratch. When you build the gift from scratch, you'll first need to enter the gift name before proceeding to programming the discount. When we access the discount screen, you'll see it shares the same interface with our deals, the other type of discount. Here, we can select to have a gift that will discount the entire purchase, like $5 off or 10% off. You'll see when I select the amount off, I'm able to input the dollar amount that I'd like to discount. And of course, we have additional conditions, such as the ability to exempt specific items from discount in the case that an exception needs to be made. The next type of discount that we can offer is a discount to specific items. This is where we can take an amount off, a percent off, or reprice an item or an item from a larger group of items. So when we select something like percent off, maybe we want to give one free appetizer per transaction. I'll give 100% off the select items that I have to input here. This is where you'll need to cross-reference your specific point of sale for the values that we interact with as item codes. They may be referred to in your system as barcodes, SKUs, or GUID values. Once you've entered the item code or item codes that should be eligible for discount, you'll save that group for the future and apply. Beyond these two types of discounts, we also have the buy one, get one flow. So if we wanted to set that up where we're going to give, let's say, a certain percent off an item, a certain quantity of items, or a combination of items, you have the ability to define that here. So if you have, the first group, and then you would add a second group of items, or you can just change the quantity if they're coming from the same product line or category of products. Once you've defined the items that should be part of the transaction, you're going to define the discount. So here we'll give 100% off, and then we'll select items from the combination. This is where we would choose items from the above configuration to discount. Once you've programmed the discount for a gift, you'll then move on to the cosmetic and expiration settings for that gift. By going into terms, you can define the overall life cycle of the reward, as well as when the member can start redeeming it after they receive it, and up to what date they can redeem it, meaning what will the expiration date be for this reward. Of course, for short-term incentives, we always recommend something like a 7-day expiration. We also have access to the display of the gift. So here we have the customer-facing name, the name of the gift that the customer will see when it's in their mobile app or their web portal, along with the description of the reward. In addition, you're able to assign an image to this gift. Below, if you want to add gamification to the reward, you do have the ability to enable the scratch card appearance, where it'll arrive in the form of a scratch card, and the member will be prompted to scratch on their device the gift so that the prize can be revealed. Once you've configured your gift in full, you can save and proceed back to the Campaign Center to distribute it through either a rule or a one-time action.